He got it. Whoa. Ah, how do you take this off? Um, maybe I should search this up instead of just trying to fuck with it.
Hey, are the pads for the I buttons still there?
What?
Are the pads still there?
Yeah, I think.
Okay.
Yeah,
Are they?
yeah,
Okay, so it's not dull, they're still shiny.
yeah.
Okay, you didn't lift a pad. That is very surprising.
Hmm. Use a flat screwdriver to carefully release the lock by pulling the latch up. Flat screwdriver. It's a knife. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna go grab a water bottle, then I'll be back. Oh yeah. Okay. Did Neville actually? Oh yeah, he did. Okay. Oh, I was wondering if you actually did. Uh, yeah. And I'm pretty sure the pins go in order from like smallest to biggest from in to out, right? Yeah.
Check the BOM.
BOM, more like bomb. Oh no.
Seriously, check it though. It has the pin order for the
What's the
hyper.
BOM?
Go to the Flipper schematics page, scroll down to the I button board, and it will literally show you where each pin goes on the board,
Hmm.
with length and everything.
I button PCB. Am I fucking blind? Yes, I am. X1B, X3B, and X2B. 3 being long? Maybe? 3 millimeters? No? Yeah?
Oh, I had
Yeah,
to
no?
unmute. On the BOM tab, it has what the legend is and what the length of each one is.
BOM
Hold up.
tab.
Let me help you out here real quick. I button BOM. Okay, so there's 3 pins, 9.5 millimeters, 8 millimeters, and 10 millimeters.
Hey, wait, can I get a photo of that somewhere?
Give me a sec. I'm trying to see if I can find the thing on here.
Why, hello there, Axel. Coming
I'm
to
here to watch the travesty. Oh, good, because I'm only going to be able to be here for like 10 minutes, then I got to get off, but I don't want to miss any of the fun.
Okay. So
Perfect.
X1B is going to be the 9.5 millimeter.
9.5.
X2B.
Wait, wait.
Okay, you've got 3 links: 9.5, 8, and 10, right?
Sure.
Okay, so X1 is 9.5,
Mhm.
X2 is 8, and X3 is 10.
Okay, I'm gonna need that again.
Hold on. There you go.
Okay. 9.5, 10. Okay. Okay. X3B is the middle one, and that's the longest one. Okay. Now, which one's longer?
It's a 1.5 millimeter difference.
Yeah, I got it. Okay, so how am I gonna do this? I didn't think this through. Um, hmm. Put a shit ton of solder on it. That's what I'm gonna do.
Hope you have flux.
I do not.
You're in for a bad time. There's not a, well, it's more difficult to work with just because it flows a little differently. And so, especially if you're going to be attempting to do it without any, like, flux, you just don't.
Vancouver kid.
I guess, too, the leaded solder is going to melt at a lower temperature, so it's a little easier to heat up and get flowing.
Okay, you guys are about to witness greatness. Not really, no. Ah, bitch, it's hot. Okay. Uh, um, I have a light on too. Okay. Oh, can I set it? Eh. This is not working. Oh. Is that good? That's good enough.
It'll work.
Well, the keyboard is the thing propping it up. Okay, wait.
Need that fancy cam that Betsy has.
Oh. No, not the face reveal. Not the face reveal. We haven't done that yet. Oh, okay. Okay. So we do. Oh, no.
Fucking duct tape that shit to your head, just like GoPro this.
I should. Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, okay. Now back to what I was. Oh no, it's fucking. No, it's stuck there now. Shit. It's stuck laying down. Okay.
Amazing.
Eh, eh, eh. Ooh. Okay. Attempt 2. No, you fucking bitch. Okay, wait. I have an idea. Needle nose. Not really needle nose. Pliers. Okay. Okay. I'm a fucking genius. You hear that? You see this? Ah. Button pin. Get under the camera. Yeah. Oh, fuck. This is hot. Boom.
Amazing.
Looking amazing. Oh,
Nailed it.
I think I should do every single one like that. Oh, I was gonna say I'm gonna take a screenshot right now and post in general. Keyboard. Keyboard that's here right now. I don't have a keyboard. Okay. Why am I so shaky all of a sudden? Oh yeah. I do need. Oh my god. I'm too fucking shaky for this. Maybe I should have eaten more than focaccia. I've only been eating focaccia for the past few days. Boom.
Yeah, that looks a lot better than the first attempt.
Probably just knocked them off like me.
It honestly looked like he wasn't even using rosin core. He was just using straight solder.
I'm using straight
And
solder.
it was not sticking whatsoever.
It also looked like he was much more shaky than what Scorpio was.
No, fuck. I was trying to stand it up more. Who needs those?
Well, if you can
T-Bros-
manage not to melt your flipper shell, you'll already be ahead of Dexif. No, he kind of dropped off the face of the planet. I imagine he'll make a return when we get the parts shop.
Furby girl, I don't want to talk to you right now.
Do like the snipers do, just breathe out before you start soldering and you'll have more steady hands.
I'm supposed to be a neurosurgeon? Whew. I've fucked up already. Wait. Okay. I think we need more solder on there. Oh my god, I don't want to talk to you right now. I'm just trying to solder. Yeah, more solder on there. That's what we needed. Wait, which one was it? Was it this one? The one that's all
Yes.
fucked up now?
Yep.
Yeah, that one? Wait. I don't believe you. You're fucking lying to me.
Nah, that was the one you were playing with earlier.
8mm. 8mm X2B. Yeah, okay, yeah. Okay. I trust you now. Okay.
I'm here for the flipper gore, not for lying.
Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. This is like not working. Wait a second. What if? Hear me out. That did not work. No. Okay. Okay. So.
Need like a pair of pump pliers or something around, just to put some weight on either side of that board so it don't slip around.
I'm gonna fucking tape this board to my desk if it keeps moving.
Honestly, that probably wouldn't be the worst idea.
Tape, tape, tape. Oh, I know where my tape is. It's in my car, which is at a scrapyard.
I was just gonna say, but is it still sitting in front of the sign?
No, no, no. There was a second crash.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah. Yeah, no. I think I shouldn't touch it anymore. Okay. I wish I could just use my fingies. My little fingies. I swear to God. I need something heavy. Oh, great idea. I have a great idea. That's not the great idea. Where the fuck is... Ah! Okay. Knife. Hold it down, knife. There. Okay. Oh, camera. Uh, there. So now you get knife, camera, action. This is not working. No. No. I don't think so, no. No. Did. Past tense.
Vice scripts might fuck the board up.
Let's get a picture nail, stick it in the screw hole on the board, and just nail it to the table.
You know?
Eh. Fuck. Okay. What if I put this in the wire cutters? Boom, chakalaka. Jesus. Fucking Christ. This is not working.
We need to like crowdfund you a fucking soldering station with some helping hands, some flux, some good solder, a better iron.
Right. Hell, just even crowdfunding him a pair of fucking alligator clip helping hand deals to hold this in place would be good.
strippers? Oh man.
Boom. Ha, 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 ha. Straight enough.
Here's the thing though.
Is that what they say
Straight-
about you, Scorpio?
Hmm?
Is it straight enough?
It's straight enough. That's what they all say about me. Actually,
Here's the thing
they
though.
say I'm gay.
What's your tolerance on your actual flipper case compared to that? Because
The answer is not a lot.
yeah.
Well, with
I'll just-
one
and
pin,
I'll just make it
fine.
work. Okay?
Just
with
drain out
three
the holes.
pins,
Oh fuck.
Okay.
Uh,
So next is
You could always
Big
just
Daddy.
tack wires on and feed the wires through the eye buttonholes.
Whoa, great idea.
Nobody has iButton in the US anyway.
Yeah, I don't even know why I'm doing this. Doesn't really mean anything to me. I wonder if this solder is unleaded. I don't know.
Should stay
Breathe
right on
deep.
the spool of it. Or I guess you have the little tiny thing. I don't know. If it doesn't say anything, it's probably just leaded.
Okay, so that is leaded. I am in. Okay. Wire cutters. It's time to go. Jeez. Oh yeah, that's definitely gonna work.
Careful you don't push that resistor off next to it.
What resistor? Who needs those?
Wait, is it already gone?
His resistance is futile. It's gone. Get
Oh,
it.
it's gone.
Is it?
I can't tell. You'll have to rotate it like 90 degrees counterclockwise.
I don't see anything missing.
Oh no, it's still on there. It was just the light glinting off of it.
Yeah,
It
don't
was
push
yeah,
that resistor.
Isn't
I
there a
thought the solder
resistor that
cast off was
doesn't
gone.
even need to be there that you can just bridge anyways?
I mean, that's technically the one, but it would be preferable not to do that.
Yeah, they just add extra components for you to take off. That's why they did it, right?
If you don't need that.
I swear to God. How do I test if this works?
I mean,
Do I need? Do
the
I need to
easy
go?
ways.
I should go grab the volt thingy. What is
Yep.
it called?
That's going to be the easiest way. Just turn it on the continuity setting.
Okay, I'll do that. After I'm
Given
done.
that you've actually attached it to the solder, though, I think you have a connection.
Yeah, I just want to know if it like I didn't
Yeah.
fuck up the entire ass board. Like as long
Did
as it
you?
works.
I thought you just dropped a solder blob straight onto it.
No, I almost did though. I wasn't thinking. I'm never thinking, but like I was extra not thinking at that point in time. Okay, third and final pin. Shit. Stop moving, you stupid board.
Remember, solder will follow from the cold area to a hot area, so if you heat the bottom of that pin first and then put it on there, it'll flow right onto the pin.
No. It's gonna cool down too fast.
You were getting professional advice right now.
Fuck you. That's what I have to say. Oh, that's awful.
Totally gonna fit in the flipper.
I hope your power usage is 1.5 amps when you're finished.
Okay, wait. Where should I put all these screws? Lid to screwdrivers. Screws.
The real fun one is it's gonna be slightly off, and then he's gonna try to
yeah.
force it into the flipper, and it's gonna split the pins off again.
Oh, they're all slightly off. Oh, wait. Oh, no, I just put it in upside down. Okay, wait. I think they all line up, though.
What?
Oh, but they fell off.
Do it.
All right, so I need to make a jig for this shit and sell it.
Okay. I think we just need more solder. I think that's a solution here.
Yeah,
Oh god, there's a
Dex
bot
said.
alert.
That's
What
what
crimes
Dex
are going
said,
on
too.
here? Fucking
What is going on, Lord Axum?
But he's posting porn.
It's a bunch of
Of
ear
course.
rape.
Jesus, those things are fucking conductive as shit. Ouchies, my fingy's burnt.
Bacon.
Why is there?
Can't wait until the parts stores open.
Same. Then I can buy parts for my dead flipper.
Even if I can't get those screws made, I want to see if the flipper team can just get them made with fucking Torx instead of Phillips. Just
I
for a
would.
device that's meant to be, you know, opened up,
Yeah,
you'd think they'd use better fasteners.
they're cheap though.
Not there's shouldn't be that much of a price difference.
I think that's pretty straight. Wait, let's get a better angle.
Looks fine to me.
Yeah. Oh no. No. Ow! Fucking shaky ass hands. Perfect. See, it works.
Yeah, that'll make connection. I think it'll be fine.
It's fine.
It's not even 90 degrees. It's fine. It's within tolerance.
So if you want to use your finger to help out with this,
It's
just
really hot. No.
use a little piece of paper towel on the tip of your finger, and then you can lever it over and make sure it's straight while you're using your soldering iron.
No. I don't have a paper
will
towel in my
hold
house. I do not have paper towel in my
What's
house.
going on? What's going on?
toilet
Here?
paper, anything. Jesus.
No.
Oh Jesus!
Piece of the foam from the flipper case.
What happened? Oh God!
How to
What'd you
I button
do?
pen, volume 3.
Yes.
Oh my God!
Shut the fuck up and let me concentrate.
No. it's
Zebra's just gonna
terrible.
straight have a heart attack.
Oh, your tip is not tender. Oh, Jesus Christ! Please.
It has no
please.
flux either.
He doesn't. You're not using flux.
No flux given.
Oh, you're screwed. How did you do the RGB mod? Could you like? What gods do you pray to? Because
Hopefully more careful than this, that's all.
I pray to myself. I call myself a god.
it seems to be working.
Leaning tire of I button.
I am starting a new religion in this Discord server. It is
That center
gotta-
pin is making me just anxious.
Oh God! Hey, Amelia did her install.
She did?
Yeah. Before Sasquatch too. It's kind of funny.
Did I do mine
You-
before Sasquatch?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did yours.
He still hasn't
before-
done it.
Yeah, he still hasn't done it. He's had it for like months.
Okay.
Oh my God, that looks terrible.
You look terrible. Shut up.
If you send me your iButton board, I'll fix it for you. And send it.
No, that ruins the fun. I don't even care about the iButton board.
So why are you?
Just remember,
mean, you
your
care
iButton
enough
board
to
has
do
your brother
this.
on it too.
I
What?
guess if you. Oh, yeah,
Kill your
infrared
iButton board too bad, and you won't have sound anymore.
Oh, and
No.
infrared.
Oh, I guess infrared is attached to this.
Yeah, you do kind of want to keep that.
Who needs that? Oh, I
We're only
care.
2 months away from the parts store, right?
Yeah.
I need my personal flipper is so screwed up. I need like 8 cases now.
Boom. Get.
That looks
Fuck.
so.
It's actually the straightest one on there.
That's kind of funny. Yeah, you're right.
Okay,
That means
now
it won't work.
now we try putting it. Wait, where the fuck
It's
did the
so
case
good.
go?
It's not gonna work.
Now we try putting it in the flipper case, only to have the alignment shove the pins off.
Yeah.
That'd be really funny, and I'm gonna laugh.
Again.
Who pinged me twice? Jesus Christ.
Boom. Why the fuck isn't? Wait. Wait. No, that is how it's supposed to go. Just shove it in there. Boom.
Yeah.
Like that.
Is it,
Boom.
they're all in there? Oh wow.
Yeah.
He did it.
Damn.
Oh my god. He is.
I don't have an
just-
I button, but I do have a continuity tester.
Actually, if you just set it on voltage DC on it, you should get a little bit of voltage off that one of those iButton pins.
Okay. Well,
Also, do the springs actually have any bounce to them?
oh no.
They don't
Oh, they
move at
don't?
all.
Oh no, wait, they do. They do. They do. They do.
Okay.
Oh my god.
So it works as intended. Neat. So check and see if you've got voltage whenever you do
Okay,
an I
wait
button
a
read.
second. Oh no.
Scorpio, you might be
I
the
have to
luckiest person in the world.
No, this is a problem. I'm gonna have to take it out
Alright.
again to put this ribbon cable back in.
That's hilarious.
And that's what's gonna fucking do it in.
It's gonna be really funny.
Okay, wait, I fixed it.
Just don't break it.
Okay. No, it's. They're good. They're good.
That was not a good.
Okay, wait. Which way does it go in?
Oh hey,
okay.
Axum, I got a new 3D printer and it's working.
Oh, which one did you pick up?
I got a Ender 3 V2 Neo.
Hey, those are good
Got it for,
machines.
like, $200, brand new
Nice.
inbox.
That is fantastic.
Yeah, it's cheaper than the Ender 3 Pro. Is what I got it for.
Yeah. I mean, hell, just my base Ender 3 V2 that I have that didn't have all the extras that the Neo has. It was like I had to
know, I
catch that
was-
on Black Friday for 200.
I was just gonna get the V2, but I saw like I could get the Neo for cheaper.
Hell yeah.
So. Oh my god, I can't believe I don't live next
Yep.
to Micro Center. Yes, you do.
Well,
Wait, I think I put
Half
this
the
in
stuff that
backwards.
you'd want to upgrade in the Ender 3 if you picked it up would basically put you to almost toward like at least 150 or 175. And at that point, you're just like, might as well have just got the V2.
Or at that point, just spend the extra like $30 and get the Neo. This print is so glossy, Jesus Christ.
Yeah. As long as you got
The,
somewhere to vent that stuff outside, resin printers are fun.
Okay, I guess I need a camera on my amazingness. Okay.
Wow, ribbon cables.
Kind of. Okay, there. Ribbon cables. Go back in. Go Plug in the ribbon cable. Boom. Okay. And I believe it's a short screw. Yeah. Short screw, short screw. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when I come for you? Okay. That looks fucking awful. More short screws, I think. Oh, battery. I guess I should test it right now before I put it back together.
That'd be the smart thing.
Um,
But I don't know if you're in the business of smart things.
He's not.
No.
He's in the business of getting
The
insanely
guy
lucky.
who works the first time every time.
Okay, I'm gonna go grab the
Some paper
continuity
clip,
tester?
a rubber band, and some fucking
That's
gum.
all he needs.
Continuity
Put it
tester.
all
Okay,
back together.
I'll be back.
Exactly.
I don't know how he does it.
Right?
Like,
I'm honestly
I-
surprised none of those pins just snapped off when he tried to put it
I
into the
have
flipper
no
case.
clue.
You man, fail upwards,
Genuinely
baby.
don't know how he did the backlight mod. It's a miracle, seriously.
He just accidentally succeeds.
I know. Task failed successfully.
Those are relatively straight. I am
Right?
honestly surprised.
Like the one he did was like, did he solder two or just the middle one?
All three.
All of them.
All three?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah, with those big kludgy pliers. Or more succinctly, the tip of wire strippers.
I'm more amazed he didn't shove that little resistor off on the middle pin. Especially when he kept slipping around with it with his unsteady hands. I'm like, he's gonna knock it off.
Far more successful than Dex V soldering inspection.
Yes.
Yeah. Like, that was
Okay.
clumsy as shit, and he managed to get that together without destroying anything. How?
Because I'm a fucking god. Fight me.
Obviously.
Was he just like stabbing the circuit board with his soldering iron? Like,
Just
Okay, there's continuity.
interesting.
Let me look at the schematic again.
Okay, where do I need more screws?
Hey Axum, you know that one flipper video? Like that one flipper video.
yeah. of
Yeah.
course.
Oh,
Okay.
yes.
I found something. I want you to watch this YouTube video and tell me it's not
No.
the same person. Look in the voice chat. Tell me that's not the same person. It's the same name too. It's kind of funny. It's got to be her.
Oh, that's also the photos of the guy like who claimed to take apart his flipper. I remember
There's
this
no
a few
way.
months ago. Oh shit.
Axum, it's
Oh,
the
wait.
same person. It's the same name. It's the same voice.
Okay, back up. Which video are we talking about? One? Are we talking about the one that's not allowed here?
Yeah,
that one.
Well,
probably.
there's several.
That's what I thought.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Physical
yeah.
pen testing, and that's
Because I mean,
enough.
I was here when Agatha was employed for flipper devices, so I would be highly surprised if that was the same person.
It sounds like the same person though. No, it wasn't me. It was Amelia.
They-
She's the one that told me that.
Nah.
No, seriously, I'll show you the DMs. Hang on, let me pull it up.
Like, I brought this up with her this
I know,
time.
I
And she's
didn't
like,
bring
you
it
know
up.
what? You're right.
That was her. And now I
The dark tales of flipper devices. When Agatha left flipper devices for greener fields, she fell on hard of times and resorted to making pen testing
It's like
videos.
everyone else. I'm just gonna quit my
Nobody's
job and
done
start an
anything.
OnlyFans. Like, come on. Fuck work when you could do fuck work.
Hey, did your eye button fins actually fit back into the case the second go around?
Oh yeah.
Hey, look at that.
They don't protrude as much as before, which is kind of concerning.
Eh.
I mean, you're not gonna be using iButton, are you?
Hopefully not.
If you need to, there's always the jumper wire ports on the top. If somehow that doesn't make like contact, just press harder, it'll connect.
And now we put in my 2 practically stripped screws back in.
To reduce down to 1 workable screw.
My sister just fell down the stairs.
That's hilarious.
Good.
What?
Like from the top, I think. I just.
But here I am assembling Flipper Zero anyway. Priorities.
Yeah, like it didn't even skip a beat. Oh, my sister just fell down the stairs. Let me finish tightening the screw because fuck her. That's why.
6.
Oh, she's fine then.
So my family's dead,
Yeah,
but I'm
6-year-old
putting
mom.
this shit back together.
Ah.
Scorpio. Was it worth it to wait for the iFixit screwdriver?
Yes.
Continue.
Actually, the
doing
iFixit screwdriver
files.
barely helped me.
Because you already mangled the shit out of it.
iFixit can't undo the damage I've already done.
Yeah. Okay. Good enough for me. We're done.
It grabs
Color
your
me
damaged
impressed.
I am a
screws. That
winner. That is what I have to say.
Alright, check your power usage now.
turns it on. Magic smoke.
Okay.
Yes.
Magic smoke. Well, it is already on.
Oh, it's already on?
Yeah.
You
You
didn't
just-
turn it off?
No.
Oh, what? What fucking world are you from? I'm just gonna complete. Let's
The
just do
one
it
where
live.
I'm
Literally
God.
fucking live. Let me reassemble this thing while it has juice running through it. Ah.
Also, make sure that your speaker works.
Yeah.
I can
Everyone's got Marble Machine Player.
also alert makes noises, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. We'll do alert. I need some water.
Yes.
What? You people? No. Just stop.
No SD card. Yeah, it works.
Amazing.
Cool.
Put your power draw on it.
Like on it. Oh. I think it's just. I think I'm doing this the right way.
W-
But I just go to
Why
settings
does
and
the
power on the
temperature
menu.
just keep climbing?
Oh, setting. Oh, okay.
Yeah, the flipper itself will tell you if you fucked up. Wow.
Yeah. Nice.
You actually
RGB
pulled that
mod
off.
Coming in.
That fucked. Fuck you all who said I couldn't do it.
I didn't
Amazing.
say you couldn't do it, motherfucker.
Morbid said.
Any idiot can solder, as we just seen. So
Unless your name is Dex V.
Yeah. So, fuck you, Morbid. Yeah, you have to include the fuck you part too. Okay, good. we're not done yet. How do I do this? I think I do. I don't know. I don't know.
But to shut the thing off.
like I can manage to
5
solder
volts.
together the inner workings of Flipper, but cannot
5
go through the
volts.
menus.
5 volts.
Beautiful. Congratulations, you pulled it off. I have no idea how we got here, but here we are.
I am a fucking god among men.
You're certainly something among men.
I think my ego started inflating after I kicked that lock open. I think I kicked a lock open. So you remember the place where I said I went swimming, right? So it's a public park. Okay, wait, everybody plug your ears. Plug your ears, everybody. Okay. So there's a toy box, all right? There's a toy box. And somebody put it in my drunk head that I should try kicking it open. I kicked open the lock.
But you were underage drinking?
No, I'm overage. We clarified this in
Oh yeah.
Sasquatch server, right?
Oh yeah, you're 21, right? Yeah.
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 No.
Yeah.